Good morning, everybody. Hey, here we got a gorgeous LS3 engine here. This is our baby motor. This got the hidden valve covers, but we take them off to run the dyno so you can see it core backwards. This was custom sprayed black. Got a full boat CVF system on here. We got a nice polished intake on this. Made over 540 horsepower and about 580 foot-pounds of torque. Again, we are one of the best engine builders out there. If there's anything we can help you with, give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Hey, what do I say? The proof's in the performance. Check us out. All right, Matthew, I got your 55 Chevy engine here on our dyno. It happens to be our Chevy LS3. I'm gonna fire it up, give you a run demo.